guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aphrodite and today I'm going to make some fish and chips. It's a meal. And that my mom will help me. Fish and chips is a hot dish consisting of fried fish in batter served with chips. The dish originated in England, where these two components had been introduced from separate immigrant cultures. Yeah, these two. When my family were in the UK, in Bournemouth, every Thursday or Friday, we bought this fish and chips meal thing in Chef Fred, one of the best fish and chips restaurants in southwest England. I bet my brother wasn't there, because he wasn't born. Originally, the fish for this food are cod and haddock, the cold water fish. However, cod and haddock are very hard to be found in Indonesia, which is my country that I'm living in here right now. So we use dirty fish instead of cod and haddock. Meanwhile, chips is a British word for French fries or French fried potatoes. You guys can probably find it. You guys can find French fries or French fried potatoes probably in restaurants like that's pretty famous, like McDonald's or KFC. Probably Burger King too. So literally, we are dealing with fish and potatoes. Oh, and guys, look. This is some stickers where my mom sold some stuff. Yeah, when my mom sold some food, it happened while it was Ramadan, and it also happened while my baby brother wasn't born yet. It was also in Bogor. Now I'm in Mamuji, you know? I'm here. Okay, for fish and chips, here we go! Okay, the first ingredients is dory fish. And then the other ingredients are milk, fresh milk, right from the fridge. And then there's salt, Himalayan salt, actually. And then we have some pepper. And we have some, yeah, that's actually a flour. Don't know what that flour is called. Okay, there's another flour, but that's a bowl flour. There's also rice flour. Alright, there's baking soda, pepper, and Himalayan salt again. And then lastly, we have soda water. Right, first we are going to pour some milk into the dory fish. Finish it all up. Alright, and then we are going to pour some salt. It's the Himalayan salt, pink salt. We're gonna pour some salt there. Okay. My feet's there. Now we're going to pour some pepper. All of them. Alright, and then we mix it all. The dory fish, the milk, salt, and pepper. We're gonna mix it. Alright. Right there. And then we are going to keep it quiet for 15 minutes. Alright, put it right there. And put the flour there too. Alright, the second ingredients. There is flour. There's flour. And then we're going to pour some butter flour. Yeah, all of them. You guys see the difference of the color? Alright, there's baking powder or baking soda. Alright, we're gonna put it there. And then pepper again. And then some salt. Pink Himalayan salt. But still, they're both salty. Normal salt and pink salt. Alright, now we're going to pour some soda water. And then we just mix it. Okay. Alright, my mom's gonna mix it all. Looks kind of sticky. Well, but my mom said it had to be kind of. That looks kind of like some kind of thingies that's sticky. And then my mom said that it had to turn into like that. Okay, it happened like that because I poured. My mom wanted me to take some more soda water. And then there. Alright. There. Alright, we have these two. Alright, 3. Dory fish and some flour and flour mixed up with other stuff, rice flour I think, and that flour too. Alright, we're going to put the dory fish into that flour, to the flour that's on that small bowl. I don't think it's a bowl though. Alright, so we're going to mix the dory fish with flour and then pour it into, then take it to the red bowl, to that red giant bowl. Okay. Alright. Let's put some more. Okay. Alright, so we're going to cook the fish. We're going to cook the dory fish and then bam. We got ourselves some fish and chips. Okay. Going to put little by little like that. Right, we're going to put that big part of the leaf. Alright, we're gonna put it there. Look, it's cooking.
Okay, ini mesti satu-satu dulu.
And then after it's done, it's ready to eat. Alright, so my mom's going to cook that. Mom is going to cook that dirty fish, and then you guys have some fish and chips. Alright, it's going to plate. But for the kids that's probably at my age or probably younger than me, if you guys want to make some fish and chips, you guys have to get some parental guidance, right? It has to be parental guidance, especially for the cooking part. Kinda looks like gorengan from Indonesia. Okay, so we're going to put some of those chips too, aka French fries. Okay, so we're going to cook it. Alright, let the heat do its thing. Okay.
Yang penting disajikan.
Iya.
What do you guys think? That looks good or what? Okay. Alright. Okay, looks good. Kinda hungry. Oh, it's dropped. There. And then we got ourselves some fish and chips. Right. Okay, that looks good. Alright, we got some sauce. Okay, there's mayonnaise, hot sauce, and tomato sauce. And then there. Okay. So this is the the fish and chips that you all have been waiting for. Look. Ooh. Ooh. Right. There. I'm going to eat it. Okay, that's good. That feels good. Let's try using the sauce. Okay. Oh. Key sauce. Alright guys, so that's kind of like the tutorial of how you make fish and chips. And do you guys think that it's hard to make or it's easy to make? Comment down below. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video if you want to share. No, please share. Alright, bye bye.